Let's raise a toast for 2021, a year of so many amazing achievements.
Redefine-Meat's family grew from 30 to 140.
And began selling 7 new meat products.
We made history by launching the world's first whole cuts of new meat.
With top chefs loving our meat.
Tens of thousands of dishes were served.
In over 200 restaurants.
And the sales went up from $0 to $1 million.
We became a global company by reaching 4 markets in 4 months.
We produced 50 tons of new meat
that are cleared by regulatory authorities to be sold all over the world.
And went from 1 lab to 3 global production sites.
Our incredible team developed the Angus, the world's first food-grade 3D industrial printer.
And now have 6 Angus machines installed worldwide.
Redefine-Meat went from 3 to 10 patents submitted, and 3 were granted.
We've launched an iconic meat brand, hitting the news with publications in over 60 countries.
Receiving awards and industry recognition.
Growing our digital community by 500%.
And hosting over 3,000 people in our groundbreaking event.
Yes, 2021 was amazing, but we are hungry for more. Wait till you see what we're cooking for 2022. Cheers!